Hi guys, I just received my Boxycharm last week. Um, this is a monthly subscription. I receive it monthly. I pay for this monthly. I'll list the price in the description box. Yeah, and like I said, this is for, or if I didn't say, this is for March 2021. Boxycharm box, and I have taken the items out of the box. So let's get started. Oh, and please like or subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, let's get started now. And this is what the front of the card says. It says Boxycharm, and it has here Lucky. And I guess it's because of the, you know, the lucky charm, you know. So, yeah, and for the Irish. Um, yeah, but I just wanted to show you the items that I received here. So this is a list of them. I get 5 items. And, yeah. Yeah, it's for St. Patrick. I couldn't even think that's why they put that there for St. Patrick Day. So, but yeah, again, this is what it looks like. Okay, now the first item that I received is from Lime Crime, and it says Venus 3, and it's an eyeshadow palette. And yeah, let me just show you the colors that came in there. I'm gonna push this back so you can see them. Yeah, it says Lime Crime, and these are the items, the colors that came in there. So it's a total of 8 colors. It has here Dreamy, Beam, Heavenly, Raptured. Here is Ecstasy. Here is Paradise, Bliss, and Beloved. Really nice colors. It comes with a mirror. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. It's really pretty. Now, the next item, I'm just going to show you the box first. It says here, oh, let me just tell you the price of this. The price of this is $38. So, the next product that I received is a mascara. And I just like to show you this because the packaging is so pretty. And it says, okay, this is by Too Faced. And it says, Damn Girl Mascara. And I have taken it out. It's a 24-hour mascara. And let me show you what it looks like. It's so pretty. This is so pretty, and I like pink anyway. Metallic pink, whatever. I love pinks. So, yep, this is what it looks like. And this is a mascara. And let me just open it to show you how it looks on the inside. Wow, this is huge. Yeah, that's what it looks like on the inside. And it says here, Damn, girl. Damn it, girl. And it says a creamy mousse formula was developed with special blends of whipped melted wax that delivers an immediate full load of extreme volume without the heavy feeling. And like I said, it's supposed to lock in for 24 hours, smudge proof. And it says flake resistant curl. Now the price of this is $26. I think this is a great deal. Now the next item that I received is Maven. Maven Beauty. It says Maven Rose Water Setting Spray. And this is a setting spray, and it is for the face. It said, set your intentions in your makeup. And it says it's antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. So this is for the face. This is a rose water setting spray. And the price of this is $22. It says it's a new launch. Okay. The next item here is Kab Cosmetics. And it says a hydrating lip oil. Say bye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy, hydrated lips. Your lips will love the non-sticky instant burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. It says swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. And this is what it looks like. And it's $20. I just want to open it. It's huge. Ooh, and it smells really good. This is what it looks like. Has a coconutty smell to it. Again, this is it. And the price of this is $20, like I said. And this is for the lips. Then the last thing that I received here is called Lavish, and it's a wet brush cleaning system. It says convenient brush cleaning system to quickly and easily remove makeup resistant from cosmetic brushes. A texture of silicone pad stored nicely inside the container. And the price of this is $15. And I'm just going to open it to show you. So this is what it looks like inside. Oh, this also smells good. And again, this is called Lavish. I'm going to just stick that there. And move this slightly over here. Yeah. So these are all the items that I received in my Boxycharm. And I just want to thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, or subscribe. And I just want to thank you again for watching. Goodbye.